In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely customize the button on your web form that's located on your landing page. So if we go to my landing page for my seller's website here, you see this button right here? I'm going to show you how to completely customize that. So in order to make that happen, what you need to do is go to your dashboard, go to the trainings tab, and there's going to be a code that I want you to copy on the trainings tab. So as you can see under step 1, it says basic account details. If we go down to step 2, it says email pro tutorials as of the date of this particular tutorial, right? So if we scroll down, you're going to notice under number 10, you're going to notice a section that says video coming shortly. By the time you see this video is actually going to go right here. All right. But underneath that, I put a code. I want you to copy this code by highlighting and then copying the code. And I want you to take this code and we're going to go to where it says pages. We're going to go to all pages. And once we click on all pages, up at the top where it says search pages, you're just going to type in seller. Okay. And then click on search, and then you're going to select the edit with page builder for the seller page. In my case, I renamed the page. I showed you how to do that in another video as well. So what I'm going to do is go ahead to where it says Cash Frenzy Houses. I'm going to select edit with page builder. And once the page actually loads, if I scroll down, you can see I've already embedded the code into the page. In order to find it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the top, right where you have this little section here. And there's a little grid in there. It says edit section. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go over to the left panel where it says advanced, and I'm going to click on advanced. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says custom CSS. And as you can see, the code is already in there. So if I delete this code and I click outside, you'll notice that the button changed, right? Now, if I want, I can add that code back in, and you can see the button changed back to the way I had it. Now I can change this color, I can change the size, I can change the text, I can change whatever I want this button to look like. So for example, if I wanted to change the color of the background of the button, right now I have it as orange. You can type in any type of CSS hex code that you want. If you want a certain hex code, you would just go to Google, type in, let's say, green hex code or blue hex code, whatever you want. Or you can simply keep it as a particular color. So it can be, let's say, orange. You can add here. You can just type in the color blue. You can type in the color green, and it will pick up right here. As far as the padding, you can change the size of the button itself. So right now I have it set for 28. I'm going to leave it there. But if you wanted it to be, let's say 50, you wanted a thicker button, you can make that happen as well. If you want to change the text size, you can do that where it says font size right here. You can change it from 22 to, let's say, 40, whatever you want. You just have to play around with it in order to see how you want the button to look within itself. As far as width, if you wanted to take up 100% of the width of this particular box, then you leave it at 100%, or you can make it smaller. I personally like it at 100%. I'm going to leave this the way it is for now. I'm going to go down to where it says update. And if we're experiencing issues with this form code, then that means that my developer is actually working on it. It should be working for you shortly as well. But that's how you change or totally customize the button on your web form. And you can do the same thing on your buyer's website as well as your lender's website and any other type of website that you design, and add a form to it as well.